What's up, everybody? Welcome to Let's Play RC, and today I will be showing you guys how to reverse the throttle on a Traxxas TQI remote. Let's get to it. Okay, so me and my dad were taking the Emax apart and fixing it. And we put it all back together, and then we realized that the throttle was reversed. So now I'm going to show you guys how to fix it, step by step. So, first, you got to turn them both on. Just got to wait. If it's a castle setup, you have to wait for 2 of the ringtones. Like that. That's reversed. Okay? Okay, so you want to hold menu for 3 seconds. And it should be blinking green once. Then you want to push menu again, just once. And then you want to have it blinking 2 times. And then you want to push set. And then you want to have it blinking 1 screen again. And then you want to push menu again, just once, and it should be blinking 2 green again. Then you want to push set, and it should be blinking once red. Then you want to push set again, and it should be blinking green multiple times. And now we want to turn them both off and both back on. And now forward. Oh, I gotta wait for the tone. Forward. Backward. And that is corrected now. Steering, good. Let's go play now. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, as well as hit that notification bell, that way you don't miss a thing. Till next time, get on and play. See you guys later. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Let's Play RC, and today I will be showing you guys how to reverse the steering on a Traxxas TQI remote.
Throttle. You said steering again.
Oh yeah, throttle.
Okay.